Why do 90% of ancient Egyptian medical scrolls mention honey? It might sound surprising, but honey was one of the most important ingredients in their medicine cabinet. The ancient Egyptians wrote about honey in their medical texts again and again, praising its healing powers. But why was this golden treat so special to them? Turns out they were onto something sweet. Honey isn't just delicious, it's naturally antibacterial, which means it can help stop infections. Even thousands of years ago, Egyptians noticed that wounds treated with honey healed better. They didn't know about bacteria, but they saw the results. Let's compare ancient cures to modern science. Imagine living in ancient Egypt over 4,000 years ago. The world was full of mysteries, and medicine was a mix of observation, tradition, and a little bit of magic. Doctors, called Swandabi, were respected members of society, and they used everything from plants to minerals to animal products in their treatments. If you got a cut, your doctor might put honey on it. They'd carefully clean the wound, then apply honey as a natural bandage. Sometimes they'd mix honey with herbs or animal fat to make special ointments. These remedies were passed down through generations, written on papyrus scrolls for other healers to learn from. No joke. Honey fights bacteria, and modern science still uses it for wounds today. In fact, hospitals sometimes use medical-grade honey to treat burns and stubborn infections. It's amazing to think that a remedy from thousands of years ago is still helping people heal in the 21st century. But not all their ideas were winners. Some ancient treatments sound strange or even dangerous to us now. Egyptian doctors experimented with all sorts of ingredients, hoping to find cures for every illness. Egyptians believed diseases sometimes came from evil spirits, so they used magic spells along with herbs. They'd chant incantations, wear protective amulets, and ask the gods for help. Medicine and religion were closely linked, and priests often acted as healers. Today we know germs cause sickness, so doctors use medicine, not magic. Thanks to science, we understand how diseases spread and how to fight them. Instead of spells, we have vaccines, antibiotics, and advanced treatments that save millions of lives. Back then, doctors wrote on papyrus scrolls listing over 700 remedies. Some worked, like using garlic for infections. Garlic, for example, has natural antibacterial properties, and it's still used in some home remedies today. These scrolls are some of the oldest medical texts in the world, showing just how curious and creative the Egyptians were. Others, not so much. Crocodile dung as a treatment? Hard pass. Some ancient cures were based on superstition or trial and error, and they definitely wouldn't pass today's safety tests. It's a reminder that medicine has come a long way. Now, if you get sick, you visit the doctor, who uses high-tech tools like X-rays and lab tests to figure out what's wrong. Doctors can see inside your body, check your blood, and use computers to help diagnose problems. This technology helps them find the best treatment quickly and safely. Medicines are tested by scientists to make sure they're safe and effective. Before a new drug is approved, it goes through years of research and testing. This careful process protects patients and helps doctors choose the best treatments for every illness. So while ancient Egyptians were medical pioneers, today's medicine is much safer and way less gross. We've learned from the past, improved our methods, and now have the tools to treat almost any illness. But we still owe a lot to those early healers who started it all. Next time you grab a Band-Aid, remember, you're part of a story that started with the pharaohs. From honey and garlic to high-tech hospitals, the journey of medicine is full of fascinating discoveries, and you're living in the latest chapter.